Rainfall in Manchester has been consistent since Sunday, but today things took a turn for the worse. The damage is evident across several communities. Romardo Lyons is in the parish and filed this report.
Wind beating Mandeville terrain, fallen items after each slap. The black of roadways unrecognizable.
The scene at the Manchester Parish Council spells disconnectivity. Two poles are down over here, and right here, an entanglement of wires from many different directions.
Disconnection but not redirection. Reduced visibility. And over in Ward Avenue, firefighters fighting floodwaters. Loss of life averted as residents rescued from a flooded property. And this property on Greenvale Road flooded since Monday. Brown murky water threatening to rise. Here, a car drenched, motionless, abandoned.
You don't need to be told. It has been transformed into a lake. This is the road that leads to the Mandeville Regional Hospital. Now, this vehicle has been stuck here for about 3 to 4 hours. The driver nowhere to be found, but the police have been patrolling the area. Now, the Southern Regional Health Authority has since issued an advisory to the public. It reads, the roadway to the front gate of the Mandeville Regional Hospital is flooded and alternate access can be gained through the gate at Hargreaves Avenue at Cecil Charlton Hall. And more signs of damage. Right now we are at the Mandeville Plaza, and as you can see, fallen trees. Not one, but two. And this one right here is very massive. It's a large tree. It shows the power or the force of the wind rather. Over here we have some vehicles parked for shelter, but I'm not sure if that will be much protection for them. We stumbled upon this lone soldier who said he was out to get some food.
Yeah, right now we're at the Manchester school and we go into our center because there is no bus at our center. And the next man come up, you call and go away because no food is not here. No drinking water. So there's 2 of us left here right now. And hopefully many more will come after the breeze cool down, you know? You understand? But right now, nothing there for nobody. Everybody come right now, no bedding, no blanket, nothing there. We just need some chair and something and make some bed, you know?
Another here unwilling to speak. No, this is as far as we were willing to go on this road.
This is a turn off from Main Street, but it's more like Main River.
Close by, a flow office taking flow to another level.
Every single vehicle parked right here on the property is submerged. Look at this view.
If these are service vehicles, recovery work regarding reception may take a while. You know what else may take a while? Rebuilding for farmers in central Jamaica yet again.
Yeah, you know the carrot, I might save a little guy young. And the lettuce, you know that I got butter same way. Pop chai, it butter already. Pop chai butter already. You know the tomato, looking same way like when you see this here so. It butter already to me brother. Butter already. This in front of my house here, me just get started to pick it. I know them over right now.
Harder and harder for things expensive. And the biggest impact on farming right now, you can't get nobody for work. And the farming material, very expensive. Very expensive. So it's just rougher and rougher every time you have to go back and start all over. So I hit what I face right now.
Romardo Lyons, TVJ News.
Thank you so much, Romardo.